2, 1/3, 3, 1/4, 4, 3, 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 10, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2.
It's a puzzle game, let's do this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So many shapes.
10.
What's that?
Woo-hoo-hoo!
What's that sound? It's scary, creepy, and so loud. What's that? What's that sound?
No.
Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there. Or maybe it's coming from up here.
Wow.
Watch out!
Great.
I love to tickle.
Aha.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tick, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. I am the tickle girl, and I love to tickle. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha.
Whoa.
Come here, I'll catch you.
Yeah.
And I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go. Tick, tick. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Let's get it rolling, here we go.
Ruining things is bad. Caring things is good. Woohoo! Wasting things is bad. Saving is good. Littering is bad.
Hello, who is there with these huge eyes? I'm so scared. It's a cute baby animal. I wonder what you are. Oh no, baby's hungry. We need to figure out what animal you are.
Yeah!
Baby animal. Baby, baby animal. Stranger, stranger is calling my phone.
No!
Stranger
Yes!
says she has something I want. A treasure box with gifts. I really, really want to see. Oh no, no. It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Steal this puzzle piece by piece. So many shapes,
Slime.
eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you. Meow, 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 meow. It's a puzzle game, let's do show you. Don't be scared. Magic remote control. Can make as many you as you want. Magic remote control. Will trick everyone you know.
Ew. Whoa! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
I lost my friend. Help me,
Ouch.
please. I don't know where he is. I will find him. Yeah. Don't you worry. Let's go, go, go. On my way to find my super friend. We always have such a good time when we are together. Maybe he was taken by a scary stranger.
Yes! Purple heart. Red flower. Yellow emoji. Red heart. Green frog. Yeah!
When I'm with you, the magic begins. We always find a way for our dreams. With fairy dust, our journey begins. We are ready for adventure. Let's take it right. I'm always super fun. With my rollerblades, I'm super fast. Hey, wait up. Please come back. Rollerblades are not allowed. There are rules you need to follow when you're at the escalator. If you don't follow the rules, you can hurt yourself or people around you. Safety first. Listen up.
Let's go! Wow! Good job!
Someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess.
Aha!
Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess?
Hey girl, wow! Let's go!
You're acting out there.
Yeah! Aha!
So much fun.
Ah,
Nobody can
excellent!
Bouncing, bouncing everywhere.
Hello!
I'll catch you in the air. Pontiac is
Wow!
making the store, making a mess everywhere he goes.
Yeah!